If you want to make real profits from real estate investment, then you definitely need to watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be explaining to you how investors or early buyers make money from real estate investment. Number one is that they use the low entry method, which is they look for properties that are newly launched in the market, especially estates that are newly launched in the market. They key into those properties because as the property is launched in the market, the developers are usually presenting that property at a very affordable price that is below the market value, so that they will attract buyers to the property and attract investors to the property. So they offer it at cheap rates, and then over time they get to increase it. And that is how early buyers make a lot of profit in real estate. And that is how you too can make profit from real estate investment. Number two is fast appreciation. Here they start to enjoy profit when the property has appreciated. Let's take, for instance, what happens when it comes to real estate investment or when it comes to estate development is that once the property is launched, so many things are not on the land. So when development starts happening on the land, value of the land starts increasing. So making people that invested early to make a lot of profit when the development starts happening. So when the property is now undergoing a lot of construction, like fencing, internal road construction, clearing, when all those things are going on, the value of the property is actually increasing. And that is how real investors make money from real estate investment. And today I'm going to be presenting you with an opportunity that will help you to take advantage of low entry and fast appreciation right here in Peace Gardens Estate. Now, Peace Gardens Estate is a newly launched property right here in the city of Enugu, sitting in between Trans-Ekulu Extension and Golf Annex Estate. This estate is newly launched, like I said, and it is selling at its pre-sale price right now for 20 million naira. Currently, work is going on, like the perimeter fencing, the gatehouse is coming up, and the clearing has been done. Now, as all of this is going on, by the time they complete it, the value of this place will definitely go up to the actual price of 25 million naira. So if you are someone who wants to make real profit from real estate investments, especially in the city of Enugu, here is the opportunity you should take advantage of today. When Golf Annex started selling for 15 million naira, people never believed the place. But right now, if you take a look at it, a lot of buildings are sitting there, and plots there are going for 40 to 45, even 50 million naira. So that is the opportunity that is waiting for you right here in Peace Gardens Estate. So do not sleep on this. Go ahead, call or WhatsApp us on the number showing on your screen. Let's bring you down here for a free inspection and securing of your plots.